This is a note which have come from the CAT conveyor, Professor Lualekar from IIM Indore, saying that don't wait till the last day, register early to avoid any last minute glitches in the CAT 2020 form. So CAT 2020 form, every year on the last day there are always technical glitches. Why? Because there are many people trying to register. Because of this issue, for the last 2 years they are extending the dates for the CAT exam. Yeah, by 1 week or 10 days, they give 10 days extra. And surprisingly, almost 35,000 people apply in the extended dates. Yeah, so sir have said simple thing, why you are delaying. If you have to fill the form, do it now. Why wait till the last date? So register ASAP. This is sir's advice. Even I advise the same thing to everyone. जब देना यहाँ तो ना कि नहीं देना है नहीं देना वो सोच लो. Then obviously you can think whether to give or not to give the CAT exam. जब CAT देना ही है भाई, why to waste? So to get more clarity, MBAuniverse.com reach out to the CAT 2020 conveyor, Professor Lagar, who advised to complete registration form early and not to leave it for the later, as many candidates can miss the opportunity due to the last minute glitches if they push to the closer to the deadline. Number one reason is this. Number two reason can also be you can forget कि पढ़ने में इतना ध्यान दे दिया कि तुम यही भूल गए कि CAT का फॉर्म लास्ट डेट क्या था. It happens. So it's better to fill the form on time. So this is one good advice which is coming from the sir. So you should fill the form as soon as possible. Now these are the CAT dates, so let's respect these days. August 5th the registration start, 16th of September 5 PM it should end. So don't wait for 16th of September, do it on 10th 12th 15th तक कभी भी आप भर सकते हो. Admit card will be out by October 28th. Exam is on November 29th. Hope everything goes as per well. Fingers crossed कि कोरोना वायरस केसेस ज़्यादा ना बढ़ जाएं. So everything will happen on time. Alright, so with this, all the best. Focus on your hard work. Bye bye.